Picture this, you're 24, broke, stuck on a tiny island, and every power in Europe wants you dead. This was Napoleon Bonaparte's reality, yet within a decade, he'd conquered empires. How? Not by luck, by wielding strategy like a razor. Today, you steal his 5 battle-tested tactics to dominate your battles, whether in the boardroom or your personal life. Ready to think like history's greatest strategist? Napoleon knew, victory isn't about winning every fight, it's about annihilating the one thing that holds your enemy together. He called it the center of gravity. At Austerlitz, 75,000 men faced him. Instead of attacking left or right, he crushed their center. Chaos erupted, armies collapsed. Pause, lean in. Your move. Stop spreading energy thin. In your career, that center might be landing one dream client. In fitness, a single habit sabotaging you. Find it and unleash everything. While enemies planned for months, Napoleon moved in days. His rule: speed compensates for numbers. In 1805, he marched 200,000 men 500 miles in 40 days. He smashed armies before they united. Modern translation: in negotiations, strike before they're ready. Launching a project? Move fast enough to stun critics. Procrastination isn't lazy, it's surrender. Burn the bridges behind you. Napoleon never showed his real hand. His signature move: let enemies think they've won, then spring the trap. At Jena, he retreated, luring Prussia into a valley. Then, cannons rained fire from hidden ridges. Use this today. In salary talks, let them name the first number. Facing competitors, leak fake priorities. Control the narrative, and you control the battlefield. He fought with starving troops. No boots, no pay. Instead of begging, he declared, "We'll eat their food." Invading Italy, he promised his men glory and enemy supplies, and they took it. Scarcity isn't weakness, it's leverage. No budget? Use hunger to innovate. No team? Do it alone and attract followers. Remember, pressure creates diamonds and emperors. Napoleon avoided long wars. His obsession? End it in one strike. At Marengo, he held reserves for hours until Austria relaxed. Then, total annihilation. Don't try, commit. That presentation? Prep until it's bulletproof. Confronting a toxic relationship? Strike hard. Half measures invite disaster. When you move, make it unforgettable. So, command your life like an emperor. Find your center. Move with speed. Master deception. Weaponize scarcity. And when the moment comes, obliterate resistance. Napoleon didn't wait for permission, and neither will you. Smash. Like if this unlocks your strategic mind. Subscribe for more history hacks. Next, Sun Tzu's 3 deadliest plays, and below, tell me which tactic you'll deploy this week. The battlefield awaits.